You have goals, things that you want to do, see, achieve, and you've been working on it, but it's not working. Don't you think you deserve better? We do. Our X System approach has helped thousands of people just like you fast-track their wellness goals quickly and consistently. Xyng is an invigorating blend of herbs and vitamins developed to give you quick and lasting energy. Accelerate is an award-winning thermogenic that boosts metabolism and helps your body burn excess fat. Use Cheat before meals to feel fuller and fill your body with high-quality fuel from your lean protein shake. Don't be afraid of those pesky sugar cravings either, because we're kicking them to the curb with the help of GLP-X, our revolutionary GLP-1 booster, and Trim Sticks, a refreshing, revitalizing drink mix that keeps you going strong and helps stabilize blood sugar. Our 8-day flush pushes toxins out of your system while helping reinforce your body's natural defenses. The ultimate supporter of healthy habits, our custom, nutritionist-developed meal plans and guidebook that come with every X System. Together, our weight loss essentials give you the power to lose weight, curb cravings, boost energy, and master your goals. Get started today with the simple solution that was made for you. You'll love the change you see.